Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to disable and enable Roblox VR. So firstly, after opening Windows, head to the search panel of Windows. From here, type Roblox Player, then click on Open. Now let the Roblox Player application load properly. After the application loads, just head into any game. Now let the game load. So after the game loads, click on this Roblox icon on the top left hand side. From here, head to the settings menu. Now scroll down at the bottom of this page, and there you will find the VR option. Just click it on, and as you can see, you need to restart the client in order to get this VR effect. So just leave the game. So in order to experience the game properly in VR, you need to head to a VR enabled game. So in the search panel, you can just type VR and a lot of VR games will appear in front of you, like the VR Hangout and all the other types of VR games. You can just head into any one of them. And if you have a VR headset and your VR is enabled, you will be able to play this game in VR. So that's how you enable and disable VR games in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.